The Strait of Hormuz remain close. Fighting in Lebanon threatens of fragile ceasefire, and no top U.S. and Iranian officials are meeting in Switzerland for high stake negotiations. Could this be the beginning of a new era in the Middle East, or are we about to witness and other diplomatic failure? Stay with US as we break down what's really happening behind these talks, and why the interworld is watching. Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are discussing one of the most important geopolitical developments of the year, the new round of US-Iran talk taking place in Switzerland. These negotiations come at a critical moment for the Middle East. Will a temporary peace agreement has reduced tension. Several major issues remain unresolved, including the closure of the Strait of Hormuz and renewed concerns over stability in Lebanon. The U.S. delegation is being led by Vice President J.D. Vance, while Iran team is headed by Parliament Speaker Mohammad Bakir Ghalibaf. So, what exactly are these talk about? Entirely, the negotiations were focused on their major issue. First, reopening the Strait of Hormuz. Second, assessing U.S. Sanctions on Iran oil exports. And third, releasing Iranian assets foreign overseas. Where and other major issue has now been added to the agenda. The Lebanon ceasefire. Speaking before the talks, J.D. Vance said the United States hopes to make progress on two key fronts: Iran nuclear programs and achieving um, listing ceasefire in Lebanon. It suggested that Washington is not only trying to improve relation with Tehran but is also saying border regional broader regional stability. Now let's talk about the Strait of Hormuz. This narrow waterway is one of the most important energy routes of in the world. A significant proportion of global oil spills passes through it every day. Iran recently announced that it would keep the state closed, arguing that the United States failed to pressure Israel into full respecting the Lebanon ceasefire. If the closure continues, the consequence could be an enormous oil price could rise sharply in fling could increase worldwide and global economic growth could slow down. That's why government inverters and energy makers are closely mentoring these negotiations. But the challenge does not stop there. Iran is deeply divided over the talk. One political camp supports negotiations and sees them as a path toward economic recovery, and other camp believe the United States cannot be trusted and aggroes the diplomacy is pointless.